What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are at ChatGPT and I'm gonna be teaching you how to download your chats with ChatGPT, so make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. So without any further ado, let's jump straight to the video. So maybe you had some important conversations and you need those answers printed out, or maybe you are doing a survey and you need it as an evidence or whatsoever. I'm not getting into details, but for any given reason you need those chats downloaded to your computer, either for you to print them out or any given reason. How to do it? Well, quite an easy way. So you just need to sign into your account and go into the bottom left corner of the page and click on your name over here. From here on, select settings. So over here we are having two big options, which are general and data controls. What you need to do is select data controls. So over here, as you can see, we are having a couple of options over here. So what you need to do is select export data and press on export. So as you can see, your account details and chats will be included in export. The data will be sent to your registered email in a downloadable file. The download link will expire 24 hours after you receive it, and proceeding may take some time and you'll be notified when it's ready. To proceed, click confirm export. So when you click on it, they will send you that link. So let's repeat the process. Go to the bottom left corner of the screen, click on your name and select settings. Over here, click on data controls, export data, press on export and confirm export. So basically guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to download chats on ChatGPT. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.